Hey, Jim Hanson here, Guild Mortgage, 916-226-6866. Good and happy Friday to you. I'm going to do a little market update today. Give you some market data just a little bit. Don't want to bore you too much with some market stuff. But anyway, interest rates did improve a little bit today based on a lower inflation number. I'm not going to go into much detail about it. All you need to know is if we have lower inflation, we have lower interest rates. So don't always correlate, but typically inflation goes down, interest rates go down. So that being said, we'll leave it at that. So also rents are on the rise, as most everybody knows. Rents were up like 4%, and that just turns us to wanting to turn renters into buyers. I know that becomes problematic because we're kind of in a seller's market. Rents are high, you can't go get a rental. It's hard to get your offer accepted because it's super competitive out there. But if you do a comparative analysis of rent versus buy, it will come out where buying and owning is more of a financial, better financially for you than renting. Also, the Federal Reserve continues to buy mortgage bonds on a huge amount of money, like $30 billion per month. And normally consumers would buy those. But if they weren't, then interest rates would have to go up. So that's why the Fed's still kind of involved in purchasing mortgage-backed securities. So that's that. And then the last thing I want to talk about today is the mortgage interest deduction thing that's going on in Washington. So here's my take on it. If you want to pay off your house, actually paying off your house would be super good. And here's why. You don't have any mortgage interest to pay. So here's a little theory. If you didn't have any mortgage interest to pay, you could still get the same kind of deduction on your taxes if you gave that money to charity. It's the same kind of deduction on your Schedule A. And so most people that move to the getting their house paid off part would be able to realize the same kind of tax benefit if they donated some money. So that's one way to counteract losing the mortgage interest deduction. So anyway, so that's it. Jim Hanson, Guild Mortgage, again, 916-226-6866. Make it a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.